This is Mark Brand with R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck 6028. It's like new condition. The miles are under 500 miles. The chassis is a brand new 2013 GMC K3500 with a wheelbase of 171. It's full-wheel drive. It has a V8 Duramax diesel engine. The overall length is 266 inches. Overall height is 111 inches. Headroom in this box is 68. It's an AEV box. It's been newly painted. All new gaskets on doors and compartments. New wheel and sirens and speakers. New LED lights. New Vanner inverter charger. New hose line HVAC system. The body configuration is front left compartment. Left rear compartment. Rear entry. It's got forward and aft action panels. PDQ, HVAC above. New attendant seat, four-part harness. Squat bench with 4-port harnesses. Striker power load and power cot. Rear right-hand compartment. Curbside entry with auto step. Pass through. Action areas, attendant seat. Squat bench. Front right-hand compartment with adjustable shelves and a lower slide-out drawer. Inside the cab has a new console with R Enterprises control panel. If you have any questions or would like more information about truck 6028, please call 1-800-1833-ReMount or visit renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.